we discuss a very important topic. Does creating a will protect your interest in your assets? The answer is yes. In the past, many of us would have heard about the rich writing their will. But today it is advised that if you have assets or properties in your name, then creating a will protect your interest, determine who your beneficiaries would be, and decide what their shares would be. Eventually, your wish and desires will be satisfied. So that brings the question, what is a will? In legal terms, it is a deed. It is a document that addresses how you want your assets to be distributed after your death. It's a very effective legal tool. So it is greatly advised that creating one will have a number of benefits and advantages. Let me just list some advantages for you. Firstly, you get to preserve the peace in your family. You provide certainty, avoids conflicts and confusion that may arise amongst your family members in the event of your death. Secondly, the list of beneficiaries is not limited to your family members. You can also include your friends, your neighbors, and even charity organizations. Thirdly, the list of assets that you may have will receive clarity. It could be your real estate, it could be your businesses, your bank accounts, your investments, your personal assets, in today's world, your digital assets, and for many of us, even our pets. Fourthly, which I consider very important, is in the event of not writing a will, the laws of intestacy will be put into action, which means the laws of the state will help to decide who your beneficiaries would be and what their shares would be. Now, this may or may not be contrary to your intentions and wishes. Many of us may have properties which are of sentimental value. By creating a will, you can pass it on to those whom you love. So, if you are above the age of 18 years, is of sound mind, and have assets or properties in your name, then nothing stops you in law from creating one. You can add, amend, or edit any number of wills during your lifetime. But bear in mind that the one which is latest prior to your death will be considered as the valid one. So what stops many of us from creating a will? You create a legacy. You help to preserve your peace. So act, plan, and create your will.